The wall-mounted flower tower comes with assembling instructions. However, we thought we would show you how we assembled our wall-mounted flower tower. Firstly, take out all the contents from the packet and lay it out on a table. Open out the sheet and lay it down flat. We chose for the shiny sides to be on the outside and the mats to be on the inside. Turn the sheet so that the creases are horizontal and you have the tabs to your left and to your right. Overlap the two flat sides to form a semi-cylindrical shape. There are rows of 3 tabs that line up with the rectangular holes. Starting in the centre, push through on the inside, one side of the tab, and then push through onto the other. You should now be able to complete the other 5 butterfly tabs in the same fashion to form a solid cylindrical structure. Now we found the next bit easier by turning the flower tower upside down, put it on the edge of a table, taking the base, ensuring that you've got it the right way round, inserting the back flat piece first into the locking lugs and then pushing through the front rounded edge to create a solid cylindrical shape. Next, assemble your watering tube by taking the long tube first and firmly attach the white watering collar to it, then attach one of the short tubes to that, followed by the blue collar, another tube, then the black collar, and then the final tube. Take your wall-mounted flower tower and put it on its base, and locate the completed watering tube firmly into the socket in the base with the long tube at the bottom and the black watering collar and short tube at the top. Your wall flower tower can now be planted up and attached to a wall using suitable screws through the fixing holes.